Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add barcodes to your products over at Shopify from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like, and from here, you guys would want to get access to the product page. And obviously, for the purpose of this video, I'm just doing uh, or rather, I'm using a dummy account as well as a dummy store just to show you guys what I mean. But these steps should just remain the same. So once you guys are in the dashboard, like I said, you'd want to click on products, and that can be found between orders and customers. So it's this one right here. And once you guys click on it, it'll redirect you to this page right here, showing you a list of all of your registered products for your store in Shopify. So when you guys get here, you'd want to select the product that you would want to add a barcode or a SKU to, or SKU, I should say. So in this case, I only have this one. It's a test dummy. So I'm going to click on it like so, and it should take you to the configuration page for that certain product. Now you have a bunch of different tabs here. There's the title, there's the description, there's the status. So you can set this to draft, and by setting it to draft, it actually won't appear in your store. There's publishing, insights, media, the category, the product type, pricing, inventory, shipping, variants, and so on. So the idea here is we want to add a barcode to it, right? And that can normally be found under the inventory tab. So if you guys refer to this tab right away, or I should say this tab, you'll see right away that there are two boxes that you need to fill up for the stock keeping unit. So how much you actually have at hand or in hand, as well as the barcode for it. So here's where you'll actually input it, and Shopify will actually generate a barcode for you when they receive the physical product itself. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.